How to add attachments in Wrike. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add attachments in Wrike. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Wrike's account, just like I have done here. Once you're logged in, you're brought to your inbox automatically. On this inbox, you'll see incoming, sent, archive, alright, and then by the left side of the screen, you'll see other options as well, where such as search, inbox, more, etc. Now, to add attachments, you can add attachments to tags, to folders, as well as to projects. Okay, so if you are attaching a file, for example, to a folder or a project, navigate through to the appropriate folder, but located in the left side of the screen, and open it up. Okay, by clicking on it. After clicking on this, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see details about the project and the folder. So once you can see this, the next step is to click on the more option button in here, where you can see further options about the site. Now about the project or the folder. Now as you can see this, the next step is to locate the tags in this folder. And after locating the folder, go ahead and open up the tags. Now after opening up the tags, by the left side of the screen, details about the tags will be displayed. Once you can see this, you can see add sub items. Scroll down till you can see sub item, add files, two more. Just go ahead and click on add files, and then you will ask where you want to add the files from. So I will select your computer, and after selecting it, you can now go ahead and locate where the files are, and then you can go ahead and add it just like that. Wait for it to be uploaded, and once it's uploaded, the file will be added. And this also occurs, this procedure is the same for books, the same for every other thing. And that is just it. This is how you can add files or add attachments to your account on Wrike. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.